Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0. It's a 27909, and this is Cindy and Ron's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this cool cordless telephone. Now, these units were very sought after. People really liked them and they want to use them, so they want to have them repaired. And this unit has a transmit issue, so we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the handset. Now, we also want to mention that we already repaired a little tab that's a locking tab. And so this is the cover, the inside cover for the handset. And when you're removing or replacing the back cover, the little locking tab, you go ahead and put it on and you slide it down. Now, there's actually a button that you want to press at the bottom down by the battery. You want to press that in and then tap the bottom of the cover so you can slide it up. A lot of times people will pry on these, but it actually locks into place. And if you use that button, you can release it and it'll come off. So we just wanted to kind of run through that a little bit because people do tend to break those tabs off quite often. Now, if you've never seen the inside of one of these handsets, this gives you a look at the inside. So we want to go ahead and start our troubleshooting, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing of this really cool cordless telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. Now, there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone. The handset and base unit interchange frequencies, and that RF power can disturb an open amplifier, and it can come off as a sizzling or humming type noise, and we'll show you that later on in our checkout. And since I have an amplifier back by the video, it has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any of that noise, it will be coming from the RF power or the frequency interchange between the handset and base unit. So now what we want to do is go ahead and use our analyzer, and we'll send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a couple times. Now let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now what we want to do is show the RF power interference. So that's the interference that we're talking about, that the radio frequency from this unit or any cordless phone can cause in an open amplifier. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, May 25th. The current time, 3:18 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Cindy and Ron and they can enjoy this really cool cordless telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.